Now, Event Planner to the Stars Mindy Weiss has some great holiday hosting tips for us.
My favorite way to add a seasonal touch to a Thanksgiving wedding or any event is to remember what season you are in. I have a lot of brides during the holidays that want a beach wedding and they're nowhere near a beach. So I try to remind them what is available now. You know, every seasons are different flowers, different items, but Thanksgiving, you have the most beautiful pumpkins. I know it may sound cliche, but now farm-to-table pumpkins come in white, yellow, purple. Use them. They're priced right at that time. And for a seasonal wedding during the holidays, white pumpkins are beautiful. White on white or add orange. But you want the guests to remember what the table looked like, but of course, you want them to remember the love.
Thanks for watching The Mark and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.